Hello everybody! I just got my brand new Maircle vacuum cleaner. Now I'm a little confused. It's M-A-I-R-C-L-E, Maircle, which if you arrange the letters, it would be spelling miracle. And I'm just wondering if it's supposed to really be miracle or if it's Maircle. Anyway, it's just a name. But let's take a look at the vacuum that's inside the box, shall we? Okay, so I'm going to open this up and we'll see what's in here. Okay, first it says clean the main unit of the vacuum cleaner, and then it says clean the floor brush, and then it talks about all the different things, the HEPA filters and all that stuff. And then this is what the inside of the box looks like. Here's your instruction manual. And let's see, it just talks about how to put it together and how to charge it. And now let's look at what we've got for parts. We've got a plastic concentrator. We've got the actual extension hose, which I guess you push this yet, and it's adjustable. That's kind of nice. Okay. Then you've got a cleaning brush with a hook that's probably to get hair out and stuff like that from the spinning. You've got some screws to mount probably this right here. This will mount to the wall, and the screws go in there, and that's so you can hook it onto the wall and store it. Then you've got a power supply. And now I think we just pull this out. And here's the cleaning head. Okay, and there's your spinning brush. And this is motorized, as you can see. Nice construction. And here's the main body of the vacuum. Okay, and let's see what else. Looks like we've got a spare HEPA filter and a brush, and let's see, this probably releases and this comes out. You see, oh, I see what it is this goes forward, see, by pushing that button, and then back, and then this hooks onto the pipe. Okay, so I'm gonna put it together and we'll see how it works. As a matter of fact, you know what I'll do? I'll put it together for you guys right here. So, let's see. This looks like, no, it doesn't go like that. That goes like this. So like so, snaps into place. Then this, I guess, will snap onto this like this. Okay, and then we can bring our handle up. That's the way that is, and you can put your foot on it. And I don't know if there's any juice in this. I don't know if it was shipped with juice or not, but there it goes. By hitting this, and that turns something like, oh, it puts it in low gear. So there's like a high gear. You can hear that? And then there's a low gear. So there you have it. Let's see. Looks like it's picking stuff up. You can even get hard to reach areas like this. So, that's the new Maircle adjustable vacuum. The other thing that you can do is you can take this off and you can hang on one second, I'll show you what else you can do with this. You can collapse this, okay? And put this back on. And you can get this attachment. Put this one on. And you can use this, okay, to, if you want to vacuum along your ceiling or remove cobwebs. So that's kind of nice. That's the Maircle portable vacuum. Till next time, see you later. Bye-bye.